It's me, I'm back after a year. Welcome to my channel. My name's Florencia and I am just back on the YouTube to upload more videos like what I used to do, like makeup and like hair, whatever else I feel like it. I don't really have a main thing that no, that's a lie. I do mostly makeup. Anyways, it's been a very long time since I filmed that video. It's been over a year, like I said, and to be honest, I haven't really been doing any makeup, like actual makeup, other than my everyday. Ever since, you know, I stopped filming. I'm still buying makeup and everything like that. I just don't like, I don't know, I feel like makeup is something that I like to do when I have my own space and you have your desk full of your makeup and you can see it and like touch it and use it, and like for the whole year all my stuff has been like stored away, and so it's kind of like you don't want to be digging stuff up just to sit down for like a few hours and do my makeup and then put it all over again, It's just like a lot, you know. I'm getting excited talking about it. Today I decided to recreate a James Charles video that I saw. He did a makeup look on Charli from TikTok, so it was like what's popular right now. Like, please keep on watching and maybe subscribe to my channel to see what I come up with next week. Might be a hair video, I don't know. I kind of want to cut my bangs. Oh my god, everybody's going crazy. Okay, so we want to start with the makeup already. I'm gonna be using a few products that are not necessarily new or old. I'm just using what I have at the moment. I haven't been buying lots of makeup recently, obviously, because we haven't been trying that hard, you know what I mean? Like, I still have to go to work in person, so I do wear some makeup, you know, but at the end of the day it looks terrible. Like, it comes off all over my mask anyway. I'm like literally breaking out all over my face. There's nothing too exciting to show you other than, you know, the main palettes that I'm going to be using for this look, which is the James Charles palette. So I'm going to go straight with foundation. I am going to use this CoverGirl True Blend foundation. It's a little darker shade. We want to look a little healthier than usual. Ugh. Girl, I haven't used this foundation in a while, you can tell. It's a little, it should be okay. If I break out, oh well. I'm just gonna start in the center of my face here, and then bring it all in. Does anybody have a favorite foundation that they're using right now? I know I heard a lot about the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. I am pretty oily, so I'm not sure how that would work. I'm pretty sure it's meant to be for like oily people because it mattifies the shit out of your face, I think. So yeah, I might look into that. You know, L'Oreal makes good foundations. Let me finish my face because I can't talk and do this at the same time. Dude, I am building this up. Like, it doesn't have much coverage at all, but it's okay because in the picture Charli doesn't have like a lot of coverage. You can see her freckles coming through, or I think maybe James added them. I don't even know. It's been a long time, so let me add some concealer here. I think this might be too light. Oh my god. It's pretty light, but we'll make it work. This is the Makeup Revolution concealer in CO.2. Okay, I'm only gonna do this much right now. I'm scared that I'll have a shit ton of fallout from those palettes. I already did this look before, so I'm like, this is my second time doing it. Hopefully I do a good job again, because then this video will be all for nothing. Just saying. I need to stop talking like that. I don't know why all my sentences end with a question type of note. I don't know. Also, if I sound super congested, I swear to god it's not COVID. Every time I turn that light on, like the big ring light, I get like super watery eyed and my nose like gets stuffy. So anyways, this is here's my iPad. This is the look I'm going for. You see how it's like rainbowy and cute. So let's go ahead and do that. Do I want to do my brows first? Yeah, I think I should do my eyebrows first. Let me do that off camera. I'm like a regular beauty guru, you know, they never do their brows on camera. Like, why? We don't know, but I'm about to do the same thing, so. Okay, my brows are done. They might not look the best, but this is what I got for today, so whatever. Now go ahead and smooth out these creases up in here. You know how that happens. So I bought a bunch of like Morphe brushes. Only about $100 on them. It was like a bunch, you know, just at once. So yeah, bro, I swear my allergies are acting up. So starting, we're gonna start with the James Charles palette. Wait, hold on, let me look at that picture again. God damn it. Okay, so she has a outer purple to orange to yellow situation. I do have a dirty ass rag under me to wipe off my brushings, you know, so don't think I'm using my pans or my freaking no soy cochina, okay? Like, you don't want to go too intense with this. You want to use a light hand because, you know, these are very pigmented colors. I'm pretty sure he used the James Charles palette, right? That's all he used, so I should have everything I need. Yep. Okay, good. There's like a million purples here. Did I show you what I'm using? Make sure you do this or it'll be all over your face. Wait, let's put some powder under the eyes. Get some and tap it out and put it under here. Okay, I think I can start now. So I'm using the brush M441 by Morphe. Use my code. I'm kidding. Imagine. Is this the right purple? God damn it. I don't even know. Let me get the darker one. So anyways, how have you guys been doing during this quarantine? I know some of you are probably working and some of you are just staying at home doing homework. I'm gonna pick up another clean blending brush to go around the edges to soften it because it's looking a little patchy. I don't like that brush that much. That's way better. See, ugh, that saved the day. Anyways, I have been working, so you know, nothing's changed for me other than I have to wear a mask. That's breaking me out. It's disgusting. They give us one mask per week. Yeah, one mask a week. If you wear makeup, that shit is already dirty and disgusting by like day one. So I do sneak in and take some and nobody knows, but it's okay. Did I go too high? No, it's fine. I want to go on to the orange now. We're gonna pick up another brush, M139. So orange over here. There's only one orange in this palette, so I, you know, unlike the purple, there's like 6 purples here, so I know this one's the right one. So we're gonna blend it into the pink, starting from the middle. And you just want to blend in both colors because that's the whole point of this look. Dude, this is not looking the same. These are way too bright. I'm starting to think he did not use his own palette. You know what I mean? Of course he did, I'm kidding, but here, let's blend. I have a big ass brush. With that same big ass fluffy brush, by the way, it's the E27. I really like this brush. It literally does the job for you. You just like, and I'm gonna pick up the yellow and pop it in the center. I mean, in the inner corner. You see, the orange is like completely gone. There. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. Hi, I'm back. So from now on, I'm gonna start my videos with my left eye because for some reason I can blend this eye way much better. Like I literally did this one in like 1 minute. So now we're gonna add that blue pop of color. As if all of this is not already a pop of color. Yeah, what do you guys like to watch on YouTube? mean, I do watch Netflix. Right now we're watching Money Heist. I'm so freaking late in the game. Like, my siblings have been telling me to watch that forever, but I don't watch TV, y'all. Like, I just don't care. I'm gonna use my Sephora liner. This is the felt tip. Oh, it's a brush tip, but I thought it was a felt tip because I know I bought the brush tip on purpose because I don't like felt tip, but do they look the same? No, but it's okay, right? Pretty cool lashes. Because I heard a lot of girls on Instagram and, like, you know, just people who just buy their lashes from there because they're so cheap and, you know, very nice. You know, instead of buying $20 lashes that, you know, yeah, they're reusable, but like $20 lashes, you know. Okay, put some mascara. Let me find some lashes. I really don't know which ones I'm gonna use. Let me find out. Okay, anyway, so the lashes are done and this video is so long. Like, oh my god, makeup videos are like freaking long. Like, that's why they're always over 10 minutes. Like, if you're still watching, I really appreciate it. Don't forget to leave me a like, okay, because I'm like here up in with my allergies and everything, putting makeup on, like great. I have no fallout. Good. So yeah, that trick worked really well to put the powder under your eyes. I saw someone on TikTok say you should apply your lip liner just at the top and don't bring it all the way down to your sides because it makes you, you know, I don't know why, because probably, I don't know, but just keep it pouty by just putting it in the center. I always blend my lip liner. Wow, who is she? Alright, and then, oh, I do have a gloss from ColourPop. Lesson learned. I have a lot of lip stuff from ColourPop. Oh, wow. I think the makeup is all done. Wow, I haven't worn this much makeup in forever, dude. Okay, again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like my video and subscribe. If you like to see more of my videos, you can click on my YouTube channel and see what else I have there. Again, they're all from like a year ago now, so I mean, they're still funny. I watch them back sometimes and I'm like, I'll try uploading once a week. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, don't forget to leave me a comment and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.